how to fix GTA 5 installation stack problem isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just go to here, click here, and then type background apps and click on it, and now scroll down until you find here background apps, and here we'll find it. Now just turn off all the background apps here, and just by turning off the first option. After that, just go back, type here apps and features, here's it, click on it. Now just uninstall all the applications that you don't need, applications that takes your storage. Now just clean some space, and then just close it, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.